For this question, we're asked to solve the following simultaneous equations. We have the 2x plus 3y equals 9 and the x minus y equals 2. Now, the first thing I like to do is to actually label the equations. We call this one equation A. I'm going to call this one equation B. Now we're going to go through an elimination process. So what I want is to have the same coefficient in front of the x terms or the y terms, and then I can either add or subtract the equations to eliminate that term. So looking at the B equation here, I'm going to take equation B, I'm going to multiply it by 2, and that would give us the following. So equation B multiplied by 2. So 2 times the x would be 2x, then we have minus 2y, and that would equal 4. Let's call that equation C. What I can now do is take equation A, subtract equation C, and that would give the following. Well, we've got this x term here, and we're subtracting 2x. So in other words, we've eliminated the x term, which is what we wanted. I'm going to take the 3y term, and I'm going to subtract this negative 2y term. So we've got 3y minus 2y, which would give me 5y. And then finally, we've got the 9, and we're subtracting 4, which gives 5. So solving that, we have that y is equal to 1. Now what we want to do is we want to substitute that value of y equals 1. So substitute y equals 1. And we're going to substitute it into one of the original two equations. So I'm going to choose equation B. So the x minus y equals 2. So substituting that into equation B gives the following. So what we had is x minus y, and y is 1, is equal to 2. And that will give that x is equal to 3. So the two solutions that we have are y equals 1 and x equals 3.